stuck in my bed sheets. Yeah. Ta-da! Clean sheets, clean mind. Quite literally. Hi, welcome to a Sunday in my life. Sundays for me usually comprises of cleaning my room, changing my sheets, having an everything shower, and like just enjoying my day, planning the week ahead. And if it's like the start of a month, I also get my nails done, which are absolutely shitty right now. So we are gonna get my nails done as well. It started raining. I love the rain. This is my outfit. Extremely simple. A graphic tee with jeans, and that is about it. Let's do some really light makeup. My hair is definitely not hairing today because I anyways have to wash it, so I don't really give a shit. Tiny bit of concealer. I am also breaking out quite a bit, like right here, and my acne marks also get darkened for some reason because I'm almost gonna get my period like in a week or so. It's freaking irritating. Blush blindness is real, and I honestly think I have it because I put way too much blush. I keep on adding more and more. This is my current lip combo. This is Mama Earth in Woody Rose and DM Beauty in Peach Moonstone. Yes, the final makeup, too simple. Literally only have like a little bit of concealer, a little bit of blush, and a cute lip combo with some gloss. And yeah, it's still raining pretty heavily, so I'm gonna wait it out a little bit so that it can subside down and I don't get wet in the rain while getting my nails done. I am so hungry, so let's make my favorite noodles ever. Why? This literally has a grip over me. I am not a Maggie person at all. Literally, YY has such a chokehold on me. I will choose YY on a heartbeat. This has always been my favorite noodles and it will always remain so, like quite literally. What's your favorite ramen? Let me know in the comments. Now on to everything shower. It's literally the favorite part of my weekend. So let me show you some of my favorite products that I keep going back to every weekend for my everything shower. I just restocked this. This is the Sadev shower oil. This is, first of all, it smells delicious. It's a wild vanilla flavor. This is perfect for shaving because I get a ton of razor bumps, but when I use this, I get none. It's so nourishing, it's so hydrating, it's perfect and makes your skin glow. Oh my god, I hate myself hard. It makes your skin glow. It's definitely pricey, so I don't use it daily. For my hair, I literally use this combo. I have been loving this since last November when I bought it, and then I got sponsored by them on Instagram and I got a little more product. But this is literally so good. It makes your hair so soft, so frizz-free and manageable. I absolutely love it. And then for my body, when I'm not using the shower oil, I use this. It's a brightening body wash. I'm not sure if it actually does, but it cleans me, so I am fine with it. I also use this little tool to massage my shampoo in, or when I'm putting hair oil, I use this. Okay, next up, this is so good for colored hair. This is Minimalist ka Malic Bond Repair Complex. It makes your hair super soft, really like reverses damage. And I think this is a dupe of the K18. I'm not sure. I'll put which dupe it is right now. I use this no haircut cream right before blow drying my hair. It is so delicious to smell and it does have a little bit of heat protection as well, so works. I use this salicylic body wash for my acne, on my back acne, which I still have a lot, but I've been using the entire range. It comes with a salicylic body wash, an AHA, BHA body spray and niacinamide body lotion. They do tell you to use it for 3 months, so I'm going to use it completely and then let you guys know how it's working. I'm going to shower now, so I'll meet you after that.